Yay, we're back with step 52. So there's two of these things. One is red, one is green. We need the green one right now. I don't think it matters which tire goes in there, so long as you stick it through this part here and connect it there. I don't think you need a screw because it doesn't ask for one. So that should be pretty straightforward. And then the next step on there is going to be 53, where you're going to need one of these bits here. And it comes like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to separate it. Okay, these are two pieces actually. You can pop these apart, and then once you have those apart, you can put this tire and the motor inside. Now again, you'll see in step 54 that it's very important not to squeeze the cables, but we'll get to that, and we'll have to gather all these pieces here, the 23mm screws and the 9.5mm screws and some nuts. Alright, so we'll get all that put together, those three steps, 52, 53, and 54, and we'll see you in the next video.